guys, how are you doing? I am back with another video for my addicted blogging channel, and in this video we will discuss how to meet nearby people in 2021 via Facebook. So we have already published a video on how to meet nearby people in 2020, and that video has already gone viral, has more than 60,000 views. You can check that if you want. But the thing is, a lot of things are not working because Facebook is now changed and Facebook is clubbed with Instagram with a new layout. So in this video I will be showing you how you can get nearby people or get to know nearby friends if you want to get in touch with. So let's start the video, and if you are a tech enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be bringing more videos like this. Previously what we used to do is we used to type in the city name or place name and click on enter, and if you go to people here, all the people who stays in that area would be displayed. But now they have changed the Facebook, and you can see that is not working because only the people who has the name Bangalore in their name are showing in the search results, which is what we don't want, right? We want to get the people who stays nearby. So you can see that if I click on these profiles, they are staying in Bangalore, but looks like their name has Bangalore in it. So this is the way we used to find out people previously, but this is not working right now. So what is the alternative? So the alternative is, if you want to get in touch with someone in your locality or area, or if you want to find someone who stays within your city, then you have to give a random name to Facebook to search the people with that name. Or what you can do is you can randomly click a letter on the search box and go to the people. If you come to people, you will see that all the people with the name A will be displayed. So here what you need to do is you need to click on the city and select the area where you stay right now. So I am staying in Bangalore, and you can see in the search results it is showing me the people who are staying in Bangalore. So if you are staying in other place, you have to give the other name, or you have to give the other city name here and click on search. Once you click on search, you can see that most of the people are staying in the Bangalore region, and you can get in touch with them if you know them, obviously, and you can meet them also. But I don't recommend you to send friend requests to people you don't know. So if you know someone, you can use that technique and find that person in the Facebook. Or if you want to get in touch with some friends in your locality, you can use this technique to get in touch with the people. So this is the method which you can use right now to get in touch with people. And if you are not getting the person you know in your locality, or if you want to search more of the people, then you can obviously give another letter here and do the same thing here. Go to people, give the city, and get the people whose name or title has that letter in it. So that is really great. You can meet someone, or you can get to know new friends via this technique. And if you want to refine your search, then you can obviously add your work. If you want to get in touch with someone who works in your workplace or also in your college, you can get in touch with someone. So you can click here and add your college name and work name, and obviously you can also select friends of friends. So it will eliminate all the people who are not related to you and only will show the mutual friends or friends of friends in the search list. So chances are more that you will get someone whom you already know, or it will be of similar interest, or they will be of similar interest, which is really great. So if you are into something like meeting new people via Facebook, then you can use this type of techniques and get in touch with people, or get in touch with people in your locality, which will be great. So this is the thing I wanted to show you guys, because in 2021 they have removed a lot of options. Previously there were more refiners or filters in here. They have removed them in 2020. So other than that, what you can do, you can get in touch with people via photos. So in the photos, if you click on photos by giving the letter B, nothing will come. So in this case, what you need to do, you need to put the place name where you are currently located, and once you give the city name, you can click on photos. So what happens when you click on photos is people click a lot of photos and their photos gets auto tagged nowadays because they have a smartphone in their pocket. So whenever a photo is auto tagged, it will come in the search results. So if you click on photos and give the most accurate filters, chances are you will get someone in the photos whom you already know or people in your locality. It will be very helpful for you to meet them by Facebook. So here you have to click on posted by your friends and friends and group. I will recommend you to click on friends and groups, and after that in the photo type you have to click on photos you have seen but you have to left. So in the photo type you have to leave it blank. In the tagged location you can give the location again. Here I've already given the location, so no need to give the location. And in the date posted you can select whichever date you want to select, like whichever year you want to select to get the latest results here. So you can see that a lot of photos it will show here, and you can directly get in touch if you know them, know the person obviously. So you can see these people are living in Bangalore, so yeah, you can do that. So like you can filter people who are living in Bangalore or living in your area and get in touch with them if you want to. So these are the techniques you can use to meet new people in 2021, and these techniques are really dope. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and hit that bell notification icon, because I will be posting this type of videos more in future. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.